What's going on, guys? My name is Nick and welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are going to build a PC featuring an Intel Core i5 and a Radeon HD 6000 series graphics card. So, without wasting any time, let's introduce our parts. Okay, so for the CPU, we are using the Intel Core i5-2310. It's a second gen Intel. It has 4 cores, 4 threads, and its boost clock of 3.2 GHz. And we can pair that with an H61 motherboard from Asus. This motherboard is the P8H61M-LX3. It supports up to 16GB of RAM. It's a H61 chipset, so it supports 2nd and 3rd gen. For the RAM, we are using 4GB of 1330 MHz Kinston Ram. For the GPU, we are using an AMD graphics card, which is the Radeon HD 6850. It's a 1GB RAM of video memory. For the ports, we have two DVI ports, an HDMI, and a display. For power, it requires two 6-pin from your power supply. We have two storage for this build. First one is the SSD and the hard drive. This is a 60 GB of storage of SSD. I used this in my previous build. It's quite good. And this is just a hard drive for our games. For the power supply, we are using this power supply. Is the Win Plus. It's my first time using and hearing this power supply, so I don't know if it's good or not, but it should be okay because it's a 500 watts and it's 80 plus bronze, so it should be okay. And all the connector is right here and should be okay. So this is the case that we are using. This is the TechWare Nexus M. It's an M-ATX case, so it only fits M-ATX motherboard and ITX. It cannot fit an full-size ATX board. For the front I/O, we have the power button, reset switch, light indicators, USB 3, USB 2, mic and headphone jack, and another USB 2. At the top, we have this air filter. It's magnetic. So for maintenance, you just clean this off. And on the side, this is actually glass. It's not acrylic, so that's good. It's look nice. And this is at the back. This is simple. And at the back, as you can see, it's actually pretty spacious. It can fit 3 to a 120 fan at the front, 2 to 120 at the top, and 1 at the back. It also have a card for your power supply. So overall, this case is quite good for the price. Okay, that's all the components and parts that I'll be using for today's build, plus some miscellaneous things. So let's get to building the PC. guys, I finally finished building this PC. It took very long time, but as you can see, it boots. Good news. So now I'm just gonna download Windows 10 and download some games, and I see you yeah, probably tomorrow. It's 1 a.m. Okay, bye.
Oh, God. What's going on here? Wait. I can use that bow. I can do this. Let's see if this thing still works. Just remember Roth's training.
You can have the best farming technique in the world, but it won't mean a thing if you can't focus. The key to using any weapon is focus.
So hungry. I need to find something to eat. Sorry.
you out of there. Is that a tissue laser? A plasma cutter? Oh my god! Fuck. What the fuck are you doing? Shit. I'm trying.
Okay guys, that's all for today. I'm really happy with the PC. I have a blessed time building the PC, but there is a challenge, especially with the cable management. Cable management with using this case is not a great time, but overall, I'm happy how it turns out. Thank you guys for watching. If you dislike the video, you know what to do. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for future content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.